Kamruddin alias Baba, who may appear innocent at first glance and turn out to be a ruthless criminal who did not hesitate to take lives in the name of black magic. He used manipulation and deceit to win people's trust, cheat them, and then poison them by mixing poison in laddu. He was running fake tantric center in Loni and Firozabad, where he claimed he could make money rain through tantric rituals.
संडे को एक गाड़ी में 3 अनकॉन्शियस लोग की हमें कॉल मिली थी। जब चेक किया गया, पुलिस मौके पे पहुंची तो तीनों डेड थे। उसके बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू की गई और इसके फैमिली मेंबर्स, इन लोग के जो मृतक थे उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स से पूछताछ की गई तो कोई सुसाइड का एंगल नहीं आ रहा था। तो हमारी विषय की गंभीरता को लेते हुए कई टीम्स बनाई जिसमें टेक्निकल एनालिसिस किया गया और कई लोगों से पूछताछ की गई और जब पूरे घटनाक्रम को एनालाइज किया गया तो इस बाबा का रोल सामने आ रहा था। फिर इससे सस्टेन पूछताछ में इसने बताया कि पैसों के लालच में इसने इस घटना को अंजाम दिया।
बाबा की डिटेल क्या है?
बाबा का नाम है कमरुद्दीन अलियास बाबा और ये अभी लोनी में अपना जो चलाता है पूरा काम।
On 8 February 2026, Paschim Vihar Police Station received a PCR call regarding 3 persons lying unconscious inside a white car. Police reached the spot and shifted all 3 to Sanjay Gandhi Memorial Hospital, where doctor declared them brought dead. During the search of the vehicle, liquor bottles, cold drinks bottles, empty glass, mobile phones, Aadhaar card and other personal documents were recovered. Police solved the case and arrested the accused Tantrik. The accused had asked the victim to bring 2 lakh rupees in cash along with the liquor bottles. During the journey, he made them consume liquor and fed them poison-laced laddus. After all 3 became unconscious, he fled from the spot with the cash. Outer District Police has successfully solved a sensational triple murder case in which 3 persons were killed as part of well-planned conspiracy for financial gain by self-styled tantric. The accused Kamruddin alias Baba, resident of Firozabad, Uttar Pradesh, presently operating a so-called tantric center in Loni and Firozabad, has been arrested during the investigation. Myself, Gulshan Saifi, for News Folder, Delhi.